Have you ever wondered why your nose suddenly makes you sneeze? Sneezing is like your body's built-in cleaning system. Tiny particles like dust, pollen, or even pepper can irritate the lining inside your nose. When this happens, special nerves send a message to your brain's sneeze center. In response, your body takes a deep breath, your throat closes, and your chest muscles squeeze tight. Then, achoo! Air blasts out of your nose and mouth, pushing out the irritants. It's your body's quick and powerful way of keeping your airways clear and comfortable.